Welcome to Universe Secrets. Today we leave Earth behind to explore 4 hypothetical worlds where humanity could truly flourish forever. Earth is our beautiful cradle, yet it is plagued by natural disasters, limited resources, and a single point of failure. Scientists have theorized super-habitable worlds that obey the laws of physics but offer conditions far superior to our home planet. These worlds are not just fantasy. They are mathematical possibilities that solve the fundamental problems of our current existence in space. Join us as we travel light years away to discover the first candidate, a moon that redefines our understanding of paradise. Imagine a habitable moon orbiting a gas giant, much like the fictional Pandora, but firmly rooted in real astrophysical principles. The most striking feature here is the sky, dominated by the gas giant, which serves as a constant, majestic guardian. Gravity on this moon is about 80% of Earth, making physical labor easier and reducing the strain on our bodies. This orbital gravity would significantly extend our active lifespan, allowing the elderly to move freely without the joint pain of Earth. Due to tidal locking, one side of the moon always faces the planet, creating a stable climate without extreme seasonal changes. The stable climate means no harsh winters or scorching summers, allowing agriculture to flourish continuously throughout the entire year without interruption. Nights are never truly dark here, as the gas giant reflects sunlight, bathing the landscape in a soft, eternal twilight glow. The denser atmosphere and lower gravity allow evolution to create magnificent flying creatures that fill the skies with vibrant colors. Our cities would blend with nature, built to harmonize with the environment rather than conquer it, creating a peaceful utopia. Imagine waking up every single day to this surreal view, a constant reminder of the beauty and vastness of our universe. Tidal forces from the giant planet keep the core active, providing abundant geothermal energy to power our civilization without pollution. However, we must ensure the moon has a strong magnetic field to protect us from the intense radiation belts nearby. The oceans here could be deeper than Earth's, potentially hosting complex aquatic ecosystems that we can explore and study for centuries. As the star sets behind the gas giant, we witness an eclipse every day, a celestial event that defines our time. This world offers a perfect balance of comfort and wonder, making it a prime candidate for our first extrasolar colony. Now we travel to a more exotic location, a world for those who seek knowledge and the ultimate scientific advancement. Welcome to the planet of the Black Sun, orbiting a binary system consisting of a normal star and a black hole. Living here means having the ultimate physics laboratory right in your backyard, unlocking secrets that are impossible to study on Earth. We could directly measure Hawking radiation and study the event horizon, propelling our understanding of the universe forward by millennia. The immense gravity creates measurable time dilation effects, allowing us to experiment with the very fabric of time and reality. We could use the black hole as a garbage disposal, or even an energy source by harvesting the accretion disk's power. The sky would be a constant reminder of the power of physics, with the accretion disk providing light during the night. This society would be dedicated to intellect and discovery, attracting the brightest minds from across the galaxy to live here. Of course, radiation is a constant threat, requiring us to live under massive planetary shields or in underground habitats. Underground living would be luxurious, with artificial skies and controlled environments ensuring safety, while we conduct our dangerous experiments above. The black hole also serves as a gravitational slingshot, launching our interstellar vessels to other stars with incredible speed and efficiency. Here, the mysteries of quantum gravity and general relativity could finally be united, solving the biggest equation in history. We might even harness the Penrose process, extracting rotational energy from the black hole to power a civilization Type 2. Stargazing here is unique. A perfect circle of nothingness interrupts the starry field, a void that stares back at us. Children born here would intuitively understand orbital mechanics and relativity, growing up as a generation of natural-born geniuses. The Black Sun world is not for the faint of heart, but for those who wish to touch the infinite. Leaving the danger of the black hole, we arrive at a system that offers the ultimate insurance policy for humanity. Behold the horseshoe orbit worlds, 2 twin planets of equal mass, sharing a single path around their life-giving star. They do not crash. Instead, they perform a gravitational dance, swapping orbits every 33 years in a predictable cosmic cycle. At their closest approach, the twin planet appears massive in the sky, closer than our moon, filling the horizon with detail. During this rendezvous, travel between worlds takes only days, allowing for a massive exchange of culture, goods, and people. Two distinct civilizations could develop, evolving separately for decades before reuniting to share their progress and innovations with each other. This system creates the perfect backup. If one world faces a catastrophe, the entire population can evacuate to the twin. We would never risk extinction again. Our history, biology, and knowledge would always be preserved safely on the neighboring world. The 33-year rendezvous would be the greatest holiday in history, a global celebration of unity and reunion across the planets. Communication lag would vary, but during the approach, a real-time interplanetary internet would connect billions of minds across the gap. Using telescopes on both worlds, we could create a massive interferometer to map the galaxy with unprecedented detail and precision. The economy would thrive on trade cycles, with businesses planning long-term strategies around the orbital mechanics of the 33-year exchange. Romance and longing would take on new meaning, as loved ones wait decades for the worlds to dance together again. Space stations placed at stable points would serve as permanent bridges, maintaining contact even when the planets drift far apart. The twin Earths offer security and redundancy, ensuring that the human story continues regardless of what happens to one world. Finally, we arrive at a world bathed in perpetual light, a place where energy is infinite and shadows are complex. Welcome to the planet of 5 suns. Here, the concept of night is almost non-existent, as stars constantly circle overhead. The primary advantage here is energy. Solar farms would operate at peak efficiency, providing limitless clean power for a high-tech civilization. With no true night, productivity would soar. Our society would adapt to a rhythm of constant activity and endless wakefulness. Plant life here would be dark, perhaps black, evolving to absorb the maximum amount of energy from the multicolored stellar spectrum. Walking outside creates a surreal visual experience, as you cast 5 distinct shadows that rotate and shift throughout the day. The celestial mechanics are complex. Predicting the path of the suns requires advanced supercomputers to track the chaotic gravitational interactions. Architecture would focus on shade and cooling. We would build thick walls and automated shutters to create artificial darkness for sleep. However, this abundance of energy comes with a price. The massive red giant stars in the system are aging rapidly. We would live with the knowledge that a supernova is inevitable in the near future, a ticking clock for our civilization. This risk would drive us to become a nomadic species, constantly preparing to pack up and move to the next system. To survive, we might build planetary sunshades, engineering feats that control the climate and protect us from solar flares. It is a world of high risk and high reward, offering limitless power for a civilization brave enough to harness it. With energy no longer a scarcity, humanity could focus entirely on art, philosophy, and innovation, accelerating our cultural evolution rapidly. From the gentle gravity of Pandora to the scientific wonders of the black sun, the universe offers incredible alternatives to Earth. While these worlds are hypothetical, the physics behind them is real. They remind us that Earth is just one possibility. Our destiny is not to remain in the cradle forever, but to spread out and find homes among the distant stars. Future generations will look back at Earth as their origin, but they will call these magnificent, strange new worlds their home. There are billions of planets in our galaxy alone. The perfect world is out there, waiting for us to find it. Whether we seek safety, knowledge, or energy, the cosmos provides a diverse menu of habitats for our species to explore. Physics allows for these wonders to exist. It is up to our engineering and courage to make them our reality. The journey will be long and dangerous, but the reward is the survival and expansion of consciousness throughout the universe. Which of these 4 worlds would you choose to live on? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching Universe Secrets. Subscribe now to join us as we continue exploring the infinite possibilities of space.